You're watching How Leap. Let's add the Google search bar to your iPhone home screen. Open the Safari app and go to google.com. Tap the share icon at the bottom of the screen, which is a square with an arrow pointing up. Scroll down in the share menu and tap Add to Home Screen. You can edit the name that appears. It will default to Google Search. Tap Add in the top right corner. The icon will now appear on your home screen. Tapping this icon will open Google directly in Safari. For a more integrated search bar widget, you can use the Google app. Download the Google app from the App Store if you haven't already. Then press and hold on an empty area of your home screen until the apps jiggle. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner to open the widget gallery. Search for Google in the widget list. Select the Google search bar widget. You may have size options. Choose your preferred size and tap Add Widget. Place the widget on your home screen and tap Done. This widget allows you to search directly from your home screen without opening the app first. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.